Okay, guys, good day, everyone. My name is MFX, the tech trader. So, right now, we are going to be talking about my next project, which I've started the process already. So, I'm going to be designing a product, which is an e-commerce product, whereby we can have both a website and also an application. So that is a mobile application. Yes. So these are an e-commerce product design. Yes. So you can see the navigation bars here, the home, the categories, and more too. So now on this e-commerce website, so I want to do something more like more advanced, whereby on the search here you can actually type in what the product that you want to purchase or you are looking for on this e-commerce website, or you can use a voice note. So once you use the voice note, so the AI now is not going to what generate the words, that is your voice, it changes to text. So and that text now will appear in this what tags bar. Yeah, so I'm going to what I'm planning to do on this project is that we are going to be integrating an AI agent, whereby you can actually order a particular product on this application just by telling the AI agent what you want to apply, and if it's available, then the AI agent now will go to the store and then search for available items and then place the order for you, instead of you going searching through the website or through the application looking for the item that you want to purchase for. So once this AI agent goes to search for this particular item which we are looking for, then it will place the order immediately. So you are going to tell the AI agent what you want, and then the AI agent will now give you a feedback if that particular item is available and with the cost and everything, and then you just give it a command to what place the order for you, and then the AI agent now will now take you towards the payment site where you can now proceed to the payment. Yes. So this is just an idea on how we are going to on how I want to upgrade this e-commerce website. Yes. So if you think this idea is actually good, or if you think this idea is a bad idea, or if you have any contribution on how we can be able to improve um our e-commerce application system, just drop your comments, or you can DM me directly on WhatsApp. Yes, so I'm going to be sharing my WhatsApp number on the screen. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video interesting, kindly like, share, and also what subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes. So thank you.